In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a ClickUp consultant. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own computer and apply to join ClickUp's verified consultant program. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the phrase ClickUp Consultant and press Enter. This is the quickest way to land on the official consultant page without needing to remember a specific URL. On the results page, look for the listing that mentions ClickUp Verified Consultants or the ClickUp Consultants program, and make sure it's coming from the official ClickUp website. Verifying the domain helps you avoid third-party pages. Go ahead and click that result. Once the page loads, take a moment to scroll and get familiar with it. You'll typically see an overview of what consultants do, how they support clients with workflow and project management, and the benefits of joining the program. Skimming this information will give you context for what ClickUp values and help you tailor your application. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button or link that says Become a Consultant. It's usually highlighted to stand out. Click it to start your application. You'll arrive at a form where you can submit your details. Move through it slowly and carefully, because this part matters most. Expect basic fields like your name and contact information, along with your business or agency details if you have them, and questions about your experience with ClickUp or similar tools. Enter accurate, up-to-date information in each field. When describing your background and how you help clients, keep your answers clear and concise, focusing on results, workflows you've improved, and the types of teams or industries you've supported. It's helpful to have links ready for your website, portfolio, or LinkedIn profile so you can paste them quickly. Use a professional email you check regularly, and avoid sharing any sensitive information that the form does not request. Before sending anything, scroll back through the form and double-check your entries. Look for typos, missing required fields, and broken links. Make sure your examples are specific, your contact details are correct, and any consent boxes are handled. When everything looks good, find the Submit button at the bottom of the form and click it to send your application to the ClickUp team. After that, all you need to do is wait for their response. Keep an eye on your email inbox, including your spam or promotions folder, for any follow-up from ClickUp about your application.